What's up guys, welcome to another gaming test here in Budget Tech PH, and today we're gonna test the Samsung J4 Plus on games like PUBG, NBA 2K19, and of course, Mobile Legends. But before we start, I just want to invite you guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. Okay, let's play, and let's start with PUBG. Okay guys, just to recap, on PUBG you can enjoy the game using the default settings, which is the graphics is set to smooth and the frame rate is set to low. But you can push the graphics to balance and the frame rate to medium, but you might experience some lag, but I don't think that would affect the overall gameplay. Okay, going to NBA 2K19. I think what I can recommend for you guys to use is the ultra low to low settings. Maybe you can push it to medium, but you might experience some lag. But anything higher than that, I don't think you will enjoy the game and you will experience a very slow gameplay. Okay, going to Mobile Legends. In Mobile Legends, you'll definitely enjoy the game all throughout, even if you set the graphics to high. So that's it guys for our gaming test for Samsung J4 Plus. And if you guys have a gadget in mind you want us to review, unbox, just comment down below, let us know, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time.